Good morning all of you. In last period I taught you that working of the constitution, that the topic of the democracy. In a democracy we have already seen about the political maturity, right to vote, decentralization of democracy, right to information. Now today I teach you that working of the constitution, that the next topic after the democracy, social justice and equality. So what is meant by the social justice and equality? In the constitution already mentioned about that giving the priority social justice and equality. In our textbook already mentioned the preamble and giving the importance of the social justice and equality. So these are the important objectives of our constitution. The principle of justice, equality, aim ending discrimination. So through the social justice we end the discrimination. Discrimination, it means we are not differentiate to human being, that the caste, religion, race. So through this social justice we end of this discrimination. The principle of the justice, equality, aim at ending discrimination in social status such as superior or inferior. No one is superior, no one is inferior, because before independence, before independence there were a lot of discrimination. There is a casteism that related with that the first class, second class and third class. So after we got the independence, that there is a no discrimination. There is a no discrimination. There is a no superior and no inferior class in front of the constitution, that giving the priority of the social justice and equality. There is not giving the priority of the any religion, any language, any gender, any place of birth, race and property. Through this social justice and giving the priority to the equality, there is only that the constitution that mention it, that social justice and equality, there is a no discrimination. So through this social justice and equality, that different type of the efforts and policies made by the government of India to establish social justice and equality. So what efforts that taken by the government? So first one is the policy of reservation. See, so the policy, what precaution that what efforts and policies made by the government. So first one is the policy of reservation caste. It is meant for those section of society who have been deprived of the opportunities for the education, employment for a long period of time. It means it is meant for the those section. It means the weaker section, that belonging in the low rank, because I already told you that before independence there is a casteism, first, second and third caste, it is a very that related with the low category. So this category, it means that the weaker section. So constitution giving the priority of those weaker section जो below rank में आते हैं, that और weaker section में आते हैं, that constitution giving the priority through the reservation, और जिनको that is the not giving the opportunity for the education, because पहले ऐसे होता था कि not giving the priority also education and that the employment. जो लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो लो रैंक से belonging करते हैं, not getting the priority of the education, that didn't get the education and also that they deprived from the employment. So this situation for a long period of time. So constitution giving the priority that the giving the education and that providing employment through the reservation, through the reservation that providing each and everything. Accordingly, in an educational institution, and in government services, and so that constitution giving the priority accordingly the different type of the educational institution and the government services. So through this educational institution and that the government services, some seats are kept reserved. So constitution giving the priority that some seats are reserved for the low ranking people or those belonging in a weaker section, seats for other backward, and also that some seats are reserved for the other backward classes. Then next one is that scheduled castes and tribes. Second one is the through this social justice and equality, the constitution giving the priority that kept some seats reserved for that reserve category, so that the scheduled caste and tribes. This is important act of the Parliament of India establishing social justice and social justice and equality. This act prevent any injustice if that anything happened with that the scheduled caste and these tribes. If it means that if before independence that giving the priority that everyone says that the untouchable, इनको untouchable word करके बोला जाता था. तो if that use such a type of the word now, so through this act prevent any injustice against the people belonging the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. If anyone saying something, so that is punishable. So already that constitution giving a reservation for the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribes also. That provision for minority. That next one is the Now the next one is the provision for minorities. Minorities mean those who are less in number, that the any religion. So these people, the Indian constitution has made a several provision for a protection of the minorities. Minorities, it means I already told you that the smaller of number, that they related with the any religion like a Christian hai or the Muslim hai. These people are very less in number, so that the constitution giving the in a constitution there is a provision that made several provisions for a protection, that the constitution giving a lot of protection for the minorities. These provisions fundamentally protect the rights of equality. ये जो minorities है, so that constitution giving the constitution that provided the provision that protect their right, जो भी उनके rights है, freedom है, उनका जो culture है, that related with the educational rights है, वो each and everything that provided by the constitution. ये सारी चीजें constitution ने minorities को save करने के लिए और the protect करने के लिए सारी things that provided by the constitution. Then after that we are discussing about the laws relating to women and provision for a representation. Our constitution giving the priority that each and every that maintain the that reservation reserve for everything. It means the that giving the priority of the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, also that the provision for the minorities. Now not government not giving the priority only of those things, but also that government giving the priority laws relating to women and provision for a representation in a constitution, because before independence that the situation of the female it's really very worse. So our constitution not only giving the priority of the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe or the minorities, but also that the protected that the laws relating to women and the provision for a representation, that also that laws related with the women. See what is how many laws that related with the women, that the several policies have been adopted at national and international level to remove illiteracy among women and to make available opportunities for their development. Before independence, there was not giving the priority to women to take the any education or doing any type of the work. Only that the female that doing only household work. So in the constitution they made a different type of the policy for the women, and that's why nowadays we are celebrating that the 8th March as a Women's Day. So such a type of the activities that done by our government, because that mentioned in the constitution, right to have equal share in the property of the father and husband, and also that our constitution giving the priority that also that right to have a equal share in the property of the father and husband. So we get it the rights if father and husband की जो भी property है, also that getting rights of the women. Dowry Prohibition Act, if anyone demanding of the dowry, so कोई अगर डाउरी के लिए डिमांड करता है तो वी ऑल्सो दैट वुमेन ऑल्सो केस अगेंस्ट दैट पर्सन. देन अगेंस्ट सेक्शुअल हरासमेंट, देर आर वुमेन्स रिलेटेड, देर आर सो मेनी इश्यूज दैट द डाउरी प्रोहिबिशन एक्ट एंड दैट sexual harassment, domestic violence, and some important provisions protecting the freedom, the dignity and the self-esteem of women and securing their development. So there are so many things that related the women's, that the dowry related prohibition act and the sexual harassment or the domestic violence, so all issue that related with the women. But the constitution that always that made it a lot of policies to that encourage the women in the different that making a different type of the policy. So the policy, what type of the policy? To increase representation of women policies and political institution in 73rd and 74th amendment reserve for 33% seats for a woman. So constitution में एक और पॉलिसी दी है that already mentioned to increase the representation, कि women का representation that is very necessary, so that giving the priority 73rd and 74th amendment, there is a amendment means a changes, so giving the 33% seats reserved for the women and 50% seats including Maharashtra in state legislature, जो 50% seats है reserve including Maharashtra reserved for the women. So such a type of the efforts that taken by the government, because each and everything mentioned in the constitution that only for the women's participation. So national and state level commission also exists for a women. So different type of the issues related with the women. So national and state level commission try to sort out the problem with the women's related different type of the issue. So through the social justice and equality, that our constitution that giving the importance of that each and everyone, not only the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, but also giving the priority, that constitution trying to that our democracy is successful, so that spread the social justice and equality everywhere. Our constitution that trying to spread the social justice and equality, it is very important कि हमको social justice and equality हर जगह पे spread करनी है. But how we spread the social justice and equality? So how we maintain कि social justice as it is रहनी चाहिए, equality as it is रहनी चाहिए. तो that the last one is the role of judiciary system. In this system, we that maintain the social justice and equality. So it is very important. That is, now we discuss about the social judiciary. What is meant by the social judiciary? It helps strengthening the democracy. Judiciary, it is a very important part. It's a strengthening the democracy. It's a democracy. It means everyone knowing very well the government of the people, by the people, and for the people. So work towards achieving the objective of the social justice and equality. Through this social judiciary, through this role of judiciary, we maintain the social justice and equality. So judiciary accepted the power of parliament to make the changes. If in our judicial system, if we little bit change some rules and regulation already mentioned in the constitution, but अगर हमको उस रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन में थोड़े से चेंज करने हैं तो with the help of our judiciary system, it is very important because that the according to the situation हमको ये सारे चेंजेस करने हैं कि sometime happen कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में वो चीज़ नहीं दी है तो हमको वो चीज़ उसमें ऐड करनी है और जो चीज़ दी है उसमें थोड़े से चेंजेस करने हैं. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिचुएशन with the help of our judiciary system, we that making changes in that constitution. It means we are not change the whole constitution. इतनी प्रायोरिटी हमें कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने नहीं दी है कि हम पूरे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को चेंज करें. और लिटिल बिट विद द हेल्प ऑफ, आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, द ओनली द हेल्प ऑफ द जुडिशरी सिस्टम, देयर लिटिल बिट चेंजेस हैपन इन लिटिल बिट चेंजेस आर डूइंग इन द with the little bit changes are doing in our constitution. Judiciary accepted the power of parliament. Already that our judiciary accepted the power of the parliament. Already our democracy that giving the priority of the parliament. So judiciary system that accepted the power of the parliament to make a changes. So that the parliament getting the little bit changes in the constitution. Parliament ko, that is the right, the parliament getting the right that the changes in the constitution, but at the same time firmly stated that while amending the constitution, it means that we are not changing the a little bit portion, we change it according to the situation. The parliament cannot after the basic structure, I already told you, the parliament not change the whole constitution. Constitution में ऐसी प्रायोरिटी दी ही नहीं है कि पूरे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को चेंज किया जाए. पार्लियामेंट में दैट इतनी ही प्रायोरिटी दी है दैट गिविंग द राइट्स टू द पार्लियामेंट, और ये भी दैट मेंशन इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन दैट पार्लियामेंट गेटिंग द राइट्स टू changes according to the situation. So that that in a constitution or the parliament not touch the basic structure of the constitution. मतलब constitution का जो basic structure है वहाँ पे constitution का जो basic structure है not parliament not touch that the basic structure of the constitution. So what is the basic structure of the constitution? Why are we not touching of the basic structure? That the constitution not providing such a type of the rights to touch the basic structure. कौन से basic structure है वो? See, the constitution is dynamic and a living document. Constitution is our Indian constitution that famous all over the world. It is a dynamic and a living document. It is a part of just like a living document. जैसे एक ह्यूमन बीइंग लिविंग करता है तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इट इज जस्ट लाइक अ लिविंग डॉक्यूमेंट. द कॉन्स्टिट्यूट हैज टू चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द चेंजिंग कंडीशन. आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में चेंजेस हो सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू चेंजिंग द कंडीशन. हम वही अगर थोड़े से कंडीशन इज दैट इज द डिफरेंट, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू कंडीशन वी चेंज इट इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. एंड पार्लियामेंट हैज अ पावर एंड ऑल्सो दैट द पार्लियामेंट हैज अ पावर to make changes, and ye that each and everything mentioned in the constitution, and constitution giving the priority to the parliament, and parliament has a power to make the changes. The next one, at the same time the judiciary specified the limitation of this power. So अगर बहुत सारे changes अगर parliament करना चाहती है, if that there are so many changes by the parliament, तो उनको रोकने के लिए our judiciary system that taking a initial, तो उनको बहुत ज़्यादा चेंजेस नहीं कर सकते हैं because of that the judiciary system that there is some limitation. So at the same time our judiciary system that has specified already that telling about the specification, the limitation of the power of the parliament, उसके ऊपर कुछ restriction लगाया जाता है और restriction लगाने का काम करती है हमारी judiciary system. Parliament cannot alter the basic structure of the constitution. I already told you basic structure को कोई हाथ नहीं लगा सकता. Nobody touch. Also parliament not touch the basic structure of the touch the basic structure of our constitution. So what is the कौन-कौन से basic structure है? See, the first one is the republican and democratic form of the government. It is the basic structure of our constitution. Republican and democratic form of the government. Our Indian constitution, our Indian country, it is a democratic and republic country, and that's why we never touch the basic structure of this first one, that the republican and democratic form of the government. Second one is the federal. Our country that accepted the federal system. So federal structure of our constitution. Then that in a basic structure, that promotion of unity and integrity of the nation, sovereignty of the nation, and the secularism and supremacy of the constitution. So these are the basic structure. We never touch democratic or republic country. If we trying to our parliament, if our parliament accept our constitution accepted the democratic and republic country, हमारे parliament ने अगर democratic और republic country बोला है, that also that our constitution giving the priority. अगर हमारे parliament को अगर accepted करनी है dictatorship and उसको हटा के उसमें कुछ changes करके if allow that the dictatorship, so that the constitution not giving the permission to touch the basic structure. So it is a very there are so we never touch the basic structure of our constitution. Significant, there are the different type of the decision that related with our judiciary system. The court has given the judgment on important subjects. हमारे जो judiciary system है that related with the court and law. So the different type of the issues. So if that giving the judgment related with the rights of children, protection of human rights, there are the different type of the rights और वो उसको protect करने का काम our judiciary system करती है. There are so many rights that related children, rights of the children, then protection of human rights, that the constitution giving a lot of rights to the human being. So that is protected by our judiciary system. अगर किसी ने even that the government also attack our rights, our human rights, so we also go to the court and that case against of that the government. Protection of the honor and dignity of women, that also our judiciary system protected the women's right and also that the dignity of the women. Individual freedom, हमारा जो individual freedom है, we wandering anywhere, we go anywhere, we select any place, so also that protected by the court and each and everything that जितने भी rights दिए हैं, that rights given by the constitution, that the giving the priority, also giving the priority of the tribal empowerment. What is mean by the tribal empowerment? That tribal it means that living in that the forest area, that the most of the पहले ऐसा होता था कि बहुत सारे लोग forest area में रहते थे, they are not connecting with the city. So उनके empowerment के लिए, उनके strengthening के लिए, that also the different type of the policy, that different type of the policy and taking a different efforts by the taking the different efforts of our government, so that each and everything, that the different each and everything mentioned in the constitution, this is are the significant judicial decisions. So So there are the different decisions taken by our judiciary system, that the judiciary always trying to that maintain the social justice and equality, always giving the priority to maintain our democracy, that each and everything that protected by our judiciary system. So working of the constitution, that a lot of things that given in the working of the constitution, giving the priority in a democracy, social justice and equality, and the role of our judiciary system. So I hope you everyone understand about of there are the how we working of the constitution. Thank you.